Good morning. Oh, good morning, pup. Mm-hmm. Oh, yes. Hi. 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 Boop, 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 boop. Pat the butt. Oh, God. Whew. Good morning. Hi. If you're new to the vlog, my name's Herb, and that's my pup Hades. And we've been living full-time in my Honda Element for the past 7 months. And it rained. It rained here. And it is nice and cold out there. So, kind of slept in. We're in summertime basically now, so normally around 9:30 it starts getting warm, and I'll wake up and get my day started. But since it rained and it's all gray out, I kind of slept in till 10:30, which is super nice. So I'll take that. But I think it's time to get up and start our day. Put my glasses on for sure, which is, I keep them right here, right next to my keys. Man, we will see what the day has in store for us. I have to run over to the storage again, open up a couple more boxes, and post some more stuff up for sale as well. And yeah, I think that's probably going to be the main part of our day. I'll see if my dad wants me to cook him a HelloFresh meal, and we'll probably have that for breakfast. But yeah, it should be just another chill, easy day. Nothing crazy. We're just vibing right now. Just vibe. It's days like this that makes me realize how much like the ADHD like takes a hold of me, because I literally have Wubby, Pay Money Wubby, my streamer, like one of my favorite Twitch streamer, over here, and I'm just watching his old videos, like listening to him. But then I come over here where I'm cooking another HelloFresh meal, and I'm watching Mav, and just he's in Iceland and he's doing van life stuff. But yeah, so cooking this up for lunch. 1:16 on the clock. And this one right here, this HelloFresh, is sweet chili pork and cabbage stir fry. So should be pretty yummy. It definitely smells yummy in here. But yeah, my parents signed up for a lot of these. So their whole fridge is basically HelloFresh, and they don't eat pork, so I'm gonna eat the pork ones for them, because yeah, they messed up. They didn't realize that they could substitute the meat, I guess, in time. So these pork ones have just been sitting, and I'm gonna enjoy them for them. All right, guys, I will catch you in a little bit. Bam, nice little bowl of some pork and rice. Looking amazing, smelling good. Man, this HelloFresh, like, I don't know how they do it. Like, it's $100 for an entire week of food, and like it's good. It's just good. And it's good for you. Like, what the hell? Like, since my dad's on a since he had the heart attack as well, he loved salt, so we took all the salt out of the house, so there's no salt in this whatsoever. And I mean, just from like the flavor packets they give you, the garlic seasoning, and like just all the sauces that like are in there that have like no sodium in it, and it tastes just so fresh, so good. Yeah, it's a really good product. If you've never tried HelloFresh before, It's definitely worth giving it a shot because, man, that is amazing. And I think it only took me like 25 minutes to cook this all. Like, I started cooking the rice and then I thawed the meat and then cooked the meat up real quick and then bam, just threw it all together. And I mean, it's amazing. It's so good. I'm pretty sure that my next clip I will be heading to the storage to pick up some stuff. The video's all uploaded. I started getting a little lazy after I ate. I don't know why, but sometimes you just kind of don't want to do anything. But I'm pushing myself to get up and go to the storage. I'm gonna go pick up my friend Clarissa too. She's cool, so I just need to freaking get myself up and going because just sitting around's bad. So let's go do some stuff. Oh, it's still nice and cool out here too. Sick.
Or living in a hotel.
That's always fun. Hotel living.
Just disappeared one day.
That's horrible. I'm sorry. Why are we whispering? All right, we're at the storage unit. We're not whispering anymore. Hades, how do you feel about being here at the storage unit, sir? Clarissa, pretend to do like a Hades voice and be like, it's okay. How do you feel about being at the storage unit, Hades? Hades, you don't have a voice?
He lost it.
You lost your
accident.
Oh my god, that's so sad.
Yeah, because he's part of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre family.
No, not the Texas Chainsaw Massacre family. Oh my god. We're whispering again, holy fuck. Anyways, bam, at my storage unit. We're gonna go dig through some stuff, and I think Clarissa said she wants to get some stuff, so.
And hopefully we don't find any dead bodies.
Or would leave any dead bodies. Oh my god. She's gonna kill me. All right. We've made it to my first storage unit. So, funny thing, I wanted a 5x10, and so what they ended up doing was giving me two 5x5s for the price of a 5x10. So this one right here and this one right here, these are both my storage units. The key's on me at all times, so if you want to steal anything, you have to get it off my cold, dead body.
Gladly.
And here's all my stuff.
Big booby anime girl looking at you.
It's my girl Yumiko, love of my life. But yeah, let's dig through some stuff. All right, so Clarissa got some stuff that she wanted from me, and bam, got herself a nice little box, and we found ourselves a trash box as well, stuff that I could just instantly throw away that I don't no longer need. Altogether, I think we opened up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. 2 were trash, and then everything else I'm gonna take pictures of and sell, and I still have a couple other boxes to go through. And then the rest of the stuff over here is like my parents' stuff, so they're gonna need to come get that out of here. And this right here is actually a hood protector bug deflector for a Honda Element, which I plan on doing a giveaway for. So some lucky viewer will actually just get to have this bug deflector. It's been in box, never been opened. But yeah, so that's going to one of you guys very, very soon, hopefully. I still got to figure out how I want to do this giveaway. After I hit a certain mile mark, we'll do that, or I'll just pick somebody down in the comments, but we'll decide. What do you think I should do? Huh?
A raffle.
A raffle? A raffle would be fun. Yeah, just have you enter a name and then do a cool little online raffle. That sounds fun. Heck yeah. All right, well, we're gonna call it done here for the day. I'm gonna take my Pokemon cards, because I figured those will probably be worth some money somewhere to somebody. So we'll take those for right now, and I don't want to fill up my element with anything else, so I'll come back and take pictures of the rest. She's trying the pay money wovey flavor of Gamer Subs.
Oh, that reminds me of Snapple.
Right? Okay, so it's so funny because like
that's what
like,
it is.
They have another like peach flavor or like mango madness flavor, and it's more like bitter for the aftertaste. But then I tried this one, and man, that like the mango peach really mellows it out. It's really nice.
I don't even know if you could show this on YouTube.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, I can.
I can. I got a small enough channel. I could show anything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But yeah, that's the flavor right there. All right, so we dropped Clarissa off, and I haven't heard back from that person about wanting the TV. I don't know what it is about people who get flaky about wanting to buy stuff, but yeah, so we're just chilling over by the storage unit right now, and hopefully that person messages me and we could get that TV sold, because having a nice little extra 130 bucks, that really helps out, you know. Pretty good amount of gas and groceries if need be. Now everything else that I plan on selling is just gonna be for future cell phone payment, car payment. I'm hoping to have the storage cleared out by at least the end of this month, so I have a whole month to do this, and that's gonna be hopefully nothing but making money. Dude, yeah, hyped. I'm hyped right now. I feel good about it. Everything's looking up, and I also had a friend reach out to me and let me know, like, hey, don't forget to call this person if you really need a job super bad, and he could most likely get you in there, which is really good to hear. But at the same time, I'm not ready to go back to a regular 9-to-5, so I'm gonna try to stall out and kind of just do my own thing for as much as I can, whether that be getting back into making stickers really hardcore and selling that, which would be custom stickers. You could come to me and I will go ahead and make stickers for you. If you have a design idea, I could help you through that. I love designing and coming up with sticker ideas. I'm more than willing to work with you. Let me know. Just message me, hit me up on the comments. You could go to my Instagram at that Honda Wagon, DAT Honda Wagon, and shoot me a DM. Let me know, hey, I just want to get a quoting on stickers, see if you could help me come up with ideas, and most definitely I would love to help you do that. But other than that, I'm just gonna try to hustle, doing little hustles here and there, trying to come up with money. That's my plan for right now. Man, yeah, I'm just kind of hyped. I'm ready to get the ball rolling again with everything. So just looking forward to future plans and trips that I want to do. I'm just in the zone right now. I'm pretty happy. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna call this the end of the vlog right here, and thanks for sticking around today.